Most ADA holders right now want one thing. They want price to move to the upside. And guys, I get it. Fundamentals have been very good for a while. Like we've talked about, we've been gaining holders, gaining momentum in that regard, good developments within the ecosystem. But really what we've been waiting for is some further excitement to really get the market moving again. Now, the great thing is that although we've done things a little bit different early on this cycle, whether that be BTC setting a new all-time high before the halving, whether that be that early inflow of outside capital at the late February, beginning of March, we've kind of gotten back on track with what we've done in cycles past. And what that means is that we may only be about 30 days out from the next massive move in the market. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, but this is what we're talking about when we're discussing leg 3 in terms of ADA, the one that sends us surging towards a new all-time high, the one that really kicks off alt season, and frankly leaves a lot of people happy that they were resilient during these times. So what I want to reference is when BTC decides to move. And frankly, what people need to understand is that summer sucks in crypto. It always does. Almost every single year in crypto, summer has sucked. Whether it's the bear market, whether it's the bull market, does not matter. People don't pay much attention. Even when we look back at 2023, a year where it was very good for BTC, not that great for alts, you guys can see that even with BTC, things were pretty dang flat from June through late September. And then what happened following late September? You can see about 2 weeks into October, the market decided to descend. All right. Now, even in first year of the bear market, 2022, you guys can see that following late September, we went on a little bit of a pump. Bear market's a little bit different. But even look at 2021, the year of the height of the last bull market cycle. You guys can see the summer, right? Dips, had some spikes, came back down kind of to the norm, not much in terms of gains, about 14% difference. But look what happened right at the start of October. The market just went full vertical. Look at 2020, the year of the halving last cycle. You guys can see the summer, right? Dips, spikes, came back down, and then following late September, the market went full vertical, right? This can be tracked time and time again from cycle to cycle to cycle. Even back in 2017, you guys can see that was a summer that was actually really good for some reason. But even following that, start of October, the market pumped. 2016, you guys can see the same thing. Not much in terms of headway, market pumped. So what this means is that we're likely only about 30 to 45 days out from the moment where the market decides to send. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. Again, 2015 doing the same thing. Even all the way back here, 2013, even though that was, kind of all over the place, look what happened, start of October. So if we continue to do what we've done historically speaking, it means that we're gearing up for a very big move in terms of the overall crypto market. This is only going to magnify adoption. It's only going to magnify the amount of capital flowing into the space. And I want people to remember, this is probably one of the biggest bull markets we will ever experience, right? We've talked about us going to, 10 to 12 trillion dollars in terms of the global market cap of crypto by the end of this market cycle. We've talked about getting to 100 trillion at the height of the next market cycle. These are the two big parts of the mass adoption curve in terms of crypto. And it's going to accelerate very, very quickly, right? This is why patience and resilience are important. There are times like the last 24 hours, black swan events, things like that, that will really test how resilient you are. You've made it through some of the hardest times in crypto, the bear market, during the boring summer, through black swan events, uncertainties. I know some people will reference the election coming up in the fall. Doesn't matter. The market always has a trend that it follows. It always tends to mimic what it's done in the past. Sometimes the bits and pieces are a little different. Sometimes the players are a little bit different, but we're gearing up for these big moves in a very near term. And I hope everybody is ready for this. So I do want to hear your thoughts. Are we going to follow what we've done historically speaking, taking off sometime in the next 30 to 45 days? But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.